Okay, in this video I'm going to show you in some detail how to shape the top of your boot for your shelf sitter gnomes. As you can see, I've done row 19 and I've got my stitches on the needle here, and if you look you can see the two shapings on either side. So this is the slip shaping and this is the knit two together shaping. So for row 20, what I'm going to be doing is casting off the middle 19 stitches, but still doing these shaping. Okay, so first of all you want to knit your first 8 stitches. Okay, so just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And now you're going to cast off 7, so knit the first stitch, then cast off 7, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to do the shaping again. So slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, and then you're going to cast off your stitch. Then knit 1, cast off your stitch, knit 2 together, cast off the stitch. Now you're going to cast off 7 again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now you're going to knit the last 7 stitches. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if all's gone well, you should, as the picture shows you, end up with 2 sets of 8 stitches. You then carry on as per pattern. I hope this helps. Happy knitting!